So is it correct that you are a constable in the service of Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department?
That's correct,
Athi
Mano.
iqiniso yini ukuthi constable esiphoyiseni sasekuruleni wathi yebo.
Is it correct that you joined Ekurhuleni Metro on 1 January 2008?
That's correct, Mano.
Iqiniso yini ukuthi wajona ekuruleni ngalelo ngabalibekile wathi yebo.
Is it correct that at some point there was a unit in the Ekurhuleni Metro known as SWAT?
That is correct, Mano.
Bathi kwayiqiniso yini ngaphansi kwesiphoyisa sasekuruleni kwakukhona iqembu elalibizwa ngokuthi SWAT wathi yebo.
What did that acronym stand for?
Special Weapons and Tactics.
Manje ke lena ke iSWAT leli limele ukuthi Special Weapons and Tactics.
Were you at some point attached to this unit, SWAT?
Manje wena wakalisebenzela
Yes, I
leli
was.
qembu wathi yebo.
For which period?
Isikhathi singani siphi?
From 2008 November till the 30th of June 2022.
Athi ngaqa November 2008 ngaya ngomhla 30 kuJune 2022.
Does this unit still exist?
Leli qembu
No.
sakhona athi cha.
Yes, what happened to the unit?
It was disbanded on the 30th of June 2022.
Ayahlukaniswa ke leli qembu ngomhla 30 kuJune 2022.
Now, on the 24th of June 2020, were you on duty?
Yes, I was.
Ngomhla 24 kuJune 2020 wasesezini wathi yebo.
Do you know the previous witness, Constable Jonathan?
Yes.
Lo fakazi obekhona la usanda kuphuma kuthiwa uConstable Jonathan yamazi wathi yebo.
Is it correct that he is your colleague?
Kuyiqiniso ukuthi
correct.
sebenza ndawonye yathi yebo.
Can you tell the court in your own words what happened on the 24th of June 2020 regarding this matter?
Ngitshela inkantolo ngamakho amazi ukuthi kwenzekani ke ngomhla 24 kuJune 2020.
On the 24th of June 2020, I was on duty. I started working at 10 o'clock
Mhla 24 kuJune 2020 ngangisemsebenzini ngaqala ngo10
in the morning,
wasekuseni
and my off-duty time was 10 o'clock in the evening. So I worked a 12-hour shift.
Futhi ngasebenza ke ishift yamahora ayishumi nambili ngoba ngangifale ngiqale ngo10 ekseni ngize ngiyoshayisa ngo10 wasebusuku.
I was a crew on that motor vehicle, Bravo Zulu 35, Mike Charlie, Golf Papa. It's a white Audi.
Bravo
And-
Zulu 35
Mike Charlie, Golf Papa. And Mr. Jonathan was the driver of the motor vehicle.
Manje ngihamba le moto kwaku BZ35 MC GP lapho ke Constable Jonathan wayemshayeli wale moto.
We were tasked to assist Sergeant Mohane in Pretoria at Moot SAPS.
Manje sasithola umsebenzi ukuthi siyasiza uSergeant Mukhane wasePretoria eMoot SAPS.
We arrived approximately 1 o'clock in Pretoria at Moot SAPS.
Safika ngo1 eMoot SAPS.
On our arrival at Moot SAPS, we found Sergeant Mohane
Manje sathi masifika lapha eSAPS sathola ke uSergeant Mukhane.
in the car park.
Wayese la kwakhona imoto.
He informed us that we
Yes, he made a report to you.
Yes.
What happened there?
Yes, he informed us that we will be assisting him to escort a suspect to Boksburg Magistrates Court.
Wasitshela ukuthi sizobe simsiza ukuthi aphelezele umsolwa amise eBoksburg enkantolo kaMantshi.
As indicated, my lord, the state will be calling Sergeant Mukhan.
Yes.
Yes, we may proceed.
After Sergeant Mohane have briefed us, he went inside the CSC to fetch the suspect.
Emva kokuthi asitshele uSergeant Mkhane ukuthi zokwenzani, wayesengena ngaphakathi eSC eyolanda umsongo.
He then returned after a few minutes to the car park where we were waiting.
Emva komzuzunyana waseyabuya kula esasipake khona imoto simlindile.
And he was walking with the accused that is in front of court, number 2.
Wayehamba nomsolo lapha phambi kwenkantolo umsolo sibili.
The accused's hands was handcuffed in front.
Izandla ke zikamboshwa zazifakwe ozankosi zingaphambi komzimba.
Sergeant Mohane placed the suspect in his motor vehicle.
Sergeant Mkhane waseke beka ke umsolo emotweni yakhe.
And he informed us that he is ready to proceed to Boksburg Court.
Wasesitshela ukuthi selungele ukuthi angathatha lolu hambo lukuya eBoksburg emahhovisi nemanje.
We proceeded to Boksburg Court immediately.
Sasiyasuka ke silibangise eBoksburg.
And on our arrival at Boksburg,
Sathi uma sifika eBoksburg,
we used the entrance where they normally take the suspects in, because there's a entrance at the back of Boksburg Court.
sabe sisebenzisa le ndawo engena khona iziboshwa engasemuva.
Sergeant Mohane took the suspect out of the vehicle,
Sergeant Mkhane wasekhipha umsolo emotweni.
and we escorted them inside the court, Boksburg Court.
Manje ke sisibaphelezela ukuthi bayongena enkantolo yaseBoksburg.
We proceeded to room 2 at Boksburg Court.
So sisiyaqhubeka siya egumbini ekuthiwa uroom 2 laseBoksburg Court.
On our arrival at room 2, there was a white female.
Masifika lapho kulelo gumbi lelo uroom 2 kunomuntu wesifazane omhlophe.
Actually, as we were walking down the passage, she came down from the opposite direction.
Ushuthi yena sathi masehla ngepassage naye wayehla ngepassage.
And we met each other in the passage in front of room 2.
Sahlangana naye kulelo passage lelo phambi komnyango wase room 2.
I found out afterwards from Sergeant Mohane that it was the magistrate, Mrs. Cronier.
Ngezwe kamumva ngitshelwa uMkhane ukuthi loyo ke kwakuyimantshi uMrs Cronier.
And she asked us, is it necessary for us, why were we so many officers escorting the person that we brought to our office? And she also requested our appointment cards.
Wasibuza ukuthi kunesidingo yini sokuthi sibe baningi kangaka abaphelezela umsolo. Sisibuza ke futhi ke nalamakhadi asetshenziswayo omazisi abasemsebenzini.
Myself and Constable Jonathan handed over our appointment cards to Sergeant Mohane.
Mina ke no Sergeant Jonathan samnika ke uSergeant Mohane amakhadi ethu.
And after we handed over our appointment certificates, we went outside.
Emva kokuthi ke simnika izetifiketi zokuqasha sasiphumela ngaphandle.
But in the passage also, before we left, we also noticed a person in a suit.
Manje sathi siselapho saqaphela ukuthi kukhona indoda egqoke isuit.
And
where did you notice this person in a suit?
he was standing in front of the magistrate's office, in front of room number 2.
Manje saqaphela le ndoda ngoba ime phambi kwe- office lemantshi lelo gumbi lesibili.
And it was also made known to us by Sergeant Mohane that it was the attorney of
It's fine, Sergeant Mukhan will testify about that, but do you personally know who that person was?
Wena
No.
wawazi yini ukuthi ubani lo wathi cha angimazi?
Yes, you may proceed.
Sorry, Doctor.
Yeah, sorry, you may proceed.
Okay, after that, we left the court building and we went outside to the car park and waited.
Sase siphuma ke kuleso sakhiwo senkantolo saya ngaphandle siyolinda khona.
They were busy for about approximately a period of 3 hours.
Hayi babe matasa ke lapho ngaphakathi isikhathi singalinganisa amahora amathathu.
And after that, we were called around about 6 o'clock by Sergeant Mohane.
Emva kwalokho ke sasesibizwa uSergeant Mkhane isikhathi kwakuyikhathi zo 6.
And he informed us that he is ready to leave, we must come and assist.
Wayesesichazela ukuthi uselungele ukuthi angahamba sesingeza sizomsiza.
We went inside and escort Sergeant Mohane and the suspect to the motor vehicles that was parked at the back entrance.
Sasingena ngaphakathi sizopheleza uSergeant Mkhane nomsolwa simisa kulezi moto ezazipakwe ngemuva.
And then Sergeant Mohane placed the suspect in the same vehicle that they transported him to Boksburg Magistrates Court.
Manje uSergeant Mkhane ke wayesefaka umsolwa kule moto ababeyisebenzisa uma iletha umsolwa eBoksburg Court.
Once the suspect was secured in the motor vehicle, we then proceeded to Moord SAPS in Pretoria.
Awutheke segcinwe kahle emotweni umsolwa sasihamba siya ePretoria eMoord police station.
On arrival at Moord SAPS, Sergeant Mohane took the suspect out of the vehicle and booked him back at the CSC.
Sesifikile ke eMoord uSergeant Mkhane wayemkhipha umsolwa emotweni wayesembhalisa ngaphakathi eCSC.
When he was done with it, he came back and he thanked us for assisting him.
Esekwenzile ke lokho waphumela ngaphandle weza wazosibonga.
And we all dispersed from Moord SAPS.
Sase ke siyahamba suka ke lapho siyahamba eMoord SAPS.
Now, you mentioned that you handed your appointment certificate to Sergeant Mohane. Do you know what the purpose thereof was?
He made a photocopy because the magistrate requested photocopies of our appointment certificate.
Manje uthe wena benifanele uSergeant Mkhane certificate zenu zokuqashwa yebo ukuthi bayifuna ukuthi bayokwenza amakhophi alezo certificate bese zinikwa emanjini.
I just want to show you an attachment which was marked B to Exhibit JJ. Can you just identify this document?
This is my appointment certificate, my lord.
Hayi lokho ke sona certificate sami sokuqala.
Now, did you notice any injuries on this suspect that you identified as accused number 2?
No, I didn't notice any visible injuries.
Ekubhekeni umsolwa wesibili wabona yini lapho ayelimele khona? Cha, ngizange ngibone elimele ndawo.
Thank you, my lord.